I've been made blue, I've been lied to. When will I be loved? I've been turned down, I've been pushed round. When will I be loved? When I meet a new girl that I won't hold mine, she always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? When I meet a new girl that I want for mine, she always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? When will I be loved? Well, hi there pluckers, Ivar Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting oldie for you. Classic song from the Everly Brothers and When Will I Be Loved. Okay, standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the second fret for this song. It puts us into the same key as the original recording by the Everly Brothers. Okay, simple chords in the song, A, D, E, and there's an A7. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction starts off with this little classic riff. So that's second on the fourth, open fourth, fourth fret of the fifth string, the A string, and the open A string, fifth string. So into an A chord, and the first one is a bit louder than the rest. It's like that sort of thing, okay? But harder on the first downstroke, okay? So from the beginning then, so just the intro, just does that twice, okay? And on the third time it starts singing. Okay, so after the third time, I've been made blue. It's just A to D the way I play it. I know some people go to an E at that point, I don't, okay? I've been made blue, and you play the riff. Exactly the same riff as you did on the intro. Second on the fourth, open fourth, fourth on the fifth, right? And back into the A, okay? I've been made blue, I've been lied to. And on the third time it's just A to D, back to A. Alright, so it's I've been made blue, I've been lied to. When will I be loved? And it does a quick D, couple of strokes on the D, goes bum bum, just two strokes on the D, and then there's this little riff. That's second on the fourth to open fourth, and you do that twice. And the fourth on the fifth, and then the open A string again, and you're into the next verse. So it's then you're into the second verse. So let's go right from the beginning, right at the beginning of the second verse, okay? I've been made blue, I've been lied to. When will I be loved? I've been turned down, I've been pushed round. When will I be loved? The second verse is exactly the same as the first verse to play, but when you get to the end of it, where it goes, when will I be loved? After the A, you do an A7. That's an open G with an open third string. Second on the fourth, second on the second, 5 down to 1. Okay, so that second verse, go from the second verse, where it goes, I've been turned down, I've been pushed round. When will I be loved? A7. Right, now comes the next bit. This is the chorus, I think. When I meet a new girl, that's D to E, okay? When I meet a new girl, back to D, that I want for A, mine. Back to D, she always breaks. To E, my heart in two. Back to D, it happens every E time. And then we're back into another verse, okay? So coming out of that second verse, where it goes, when will I be loved? A7, D, when I meet E new girl, D, but I want A for mine. D, she always E, my heart in. Back to D, it happens. Back to E, every time. Verse. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? A to A7 again. Now this is the chorus a bit again, but it's like 3 stabs at a time. So it goes, when will I be loved? A7. Right, stabs 3 times. Right, because I'll be loved. When I meet a new girl that I want for mine, she always breaks my heart in two. It happens all the time. Okay, so you got the idea for that? It's like 3 stabs on each chord. When I be loved. A7, here we go. When I meet a new girl that I want for mine, she always breaks my heart in two. It happens every time. Verse. Sorry, I've been cheated, I've mistreated. When will I? That's the last verse, and then you've got this very slightly strange ending. Okay, it goes, I've been cheated, I'm mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? When will I be loved? That's the way I ended it. Okay, so what you do is you come out of that, when will I be loved, single strike on the A, and then you do 2 of the riffs, and then you go back into when will I be loved, when will I be loved. Do that as many times as you want. Okay, I did it twice. So the last verse, going into that ending, I think on the actual record they do that riff 4 times, like when will I be loved? When will I but I needed it twice. Okay, so I'll try and slay that slowly. Last verse very slowly. I've been cheated, been mistreated. When will I be loved? When will I be loved? When will I be loved? There you go, boys and girls. That's my take on When Will I Be Loved by the Everly Brothers. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.